What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So I just bought a Cadillac and I'm pretty happy about it, so I wanted to share it with you and just let you know what I'm doing with it, stuff like that. Just kind of a fun saying what's up video. Still got the Volvo, it's the daily driver, and I'm hoping that when I get over here to my other spot in this garage that we can hear, because there's some event fan that runs constantly. But let's head over there and see what I got. Y'all are not ready for this, I promise you. Ooh, she is a beauty. Okay, so unfortunately this fan runs like non-stop. I'm sure it's for ventilation or whatever, probably saving our lives, but I just freaking love this thing. I actually had a very similar Cadillac Coupe deVille. This is a 74. I had a 71 when I was younger and ended up losing it. But this is my project car. It's actually in pretty freaking good shape considering the year and everything like that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. It shouldn't be too terrible on the bank account or anything like that, and should get a lot of enjoyment out of it. But we do have a flat tire right here I need to address, and I think this is pretty funny right here because that says 22s, but those are 24s, so I think that's hilarious. And then, oh, I got a trick up my sleeve for you guys. Don't worry about it. I got a trick up my sleeve. Watch this. Door. Shoop. The door goes up. I absolutely love it. So both front doors are Lambo doors, and I think that is just so freaking slick. For real though, like dang. So there we go. Pretty freaking clean on the inside for real, considering it's a 1974. The mirror did not make it. On the passenger side, there's no passenger side mirror, so I thought that was pretty cool. I guess just being that old that they just didn't make them back then. But very simple interior, and overall in pretty good shape. Very impressed at how nice all the chrome on this car was at the end of the day. And yeah, oh, so you know it would not be complete. We got 4 6x9s in the back right here, and then we got 2 15-inch kickers right here, filling up that big trunk. So if you've seen this car before, let me know where you've seen this car, because it was actually owned by a comedian before I bought it off one of his friends. So that's all I'm saying. For being a 74, it's in really good shape. We have a little bit of issue here with right here is something that needs to be fixed. Right here needs to be fixed. So that vinyl top is going to end up coming off. And I think I'm gonna do nubuck to match the interior, and then get the red Cincinnati C's in brown. So the whole car is gonna have to be repainted, but I'm gonna go ahead and just have it repainted brown so I don't have to worry about getting super expensive on the paint job with getting the door trim door jambs and stuff like that. We'll just leave all that as is and fix the bodywork, fix all this kind of stuff. We gotta get this fixed up, new top, a little bit of bodywork right here. And then some little stuff like this. So, what do you guys think about it? I freaking love it. I'm thinking all in, I'll probably have about 10 grand in this car and have it looking and driving as good as it can. It's an absolute boat. The thing is freaking so long and just so massive in every single way. It's not even funny, but I just love it. I mean, I saw it on Craigslist and I was like, damn, that has the rims on it. It's got the Lambo doors and it's got a sound system in it. It's like, those are three things that I would have done that probably would have cost as much as buying a car without those things. So I'm super duper happy about that. Yeah, so I bought the car for $4,500. It has 6,300 miles on it. It was not running, so I took a little bit of a risk on it, but I trusted the guy that I bought it from enough to think that I could put a couple $100 in it and have it running. Ended up costing $700 to get it running, and that also included a new battery. So I got a brand new battery, a running Cadillac, and I'm looking at, you know, probably 4 to 5 grand in some additional things to really just make it look better. So before I forget, I want to say thank you to my boy Chris Sloan with Grass Grind. I absolutely love this hoodie. He sent me some new pictures to update on his website, and I saw these new hoodies and I was like, dude, I gotta get one. And he's like, I'll just send you one. I was like, no, man, that's not how business works. I'll buy one off your website and then you can ship it to me. And yeah, if you want one too, you can get one too. He has really cool hats. Chris is an awesome guy. He's located not that too far north from me, just on the north side of Cincinnati. So yeah, man. I don't know. I just want to make a video, say what's up. I'm going to do my very best to start making more videos. I know I say this a lot and fail to do it, but I feel it's the winter time and I really see the value in the videos. YouTube does pay me a lot of money every year, and I think I made maybe 10 videos all year. So I feel like if I made more videos, YouTube would just pay me more money, and that would be great. And so of course, I'm gonna try to keep the content on this channel lawn and landscape related, minus a couple just personal videos like this one. If you're looking for the web design, SEO, ads, how to market your business on the internet, a lot of that is going to go on the Optimized SEO and Websites YouTube channel. So if you're into that kind of content, consider subscribing over there. There'll be a link in the description. But I will throw a handful of lawn and landscape related marketing stuff on this channel, since it is still very applicable to this channel in my opinion. But you already know, until the next video, keep making money.